Some red beans, dry. Pearl barley. Crack of black pepper. It's a recipe right here. We got some garlic powder, which also has onion powder mixed in. I mixed it in. So garlic and onion powder, good. Fat dose of that. Damn, it smells good. And we'll try a hint of cumin. Just I don't know, just a little bit. So that's pretty powerful. And I don't know, maybe some smoked paprika. I got mixed feelings about some of this, but it's just not really, you know, it's a question of what kind of flavors you're going for. Got some Italian herbs. I'll throw a little bit in now, and then like in the last 5-10 minutes I'll actually put some more in, because herbs, you know, I don't know, you kind of don't want to overcook them or something. We got some garlic, but I could cut that up and put it in there, clove or two, but I'm actually just gonna eat it raw. Actually, probably 1 or 2 cloves, just eat it raw. Got some of this to go on, a little dangerous. Also, I will thicken it with some flour. I brought flour. Maybe I can make some pancakes or something. I can definitely thicken the stew with this flour. But I'll do that like the last 5-10 minutes. And some salt. Gotta have salt. This is actually pink salt from the Himalayas. Which, I mean, normally I just buy sea salt, but they didn't have any sea salt, except, well, this was the only kind that didn't have like that anti-caking stuff, which, you know, it's fine, I guess, but I just prefer to get straight salt. Never had a problem with, oh, my salt's caking up, I wish I had some anti-caking agent mixed in. It's never happened to me, so I just prefer straight salt. Don't need any yellow pursuit of soda, whatever the hell it is. I don't even know what that is, but whatever. It's probably harmless. Yeah, I'm a big fan of the Ziploc bag, the gallon Ziploc. So I put all my food in it, and books, and the camera, and oh, you put all kinds of stuff. Anything that you don't want to get wet. Oh yeah, usually I put in like some olive oil or something to give it some fat, but I actually cooked up some bacon. Got some bacon fat. Where there's fat, there's flavor. Need to film my scooping of bacon fat out of a jar. You got that footage there? Oh yeah, it's a nice fat scoop of bacon fat. Get off. Also a big fan of the gallon jug. This is usually what I put my water in. You know, I just bring out 1 or 2 empty ones. There you go. If you got any suggestions about different recipes or ideas, usually I'll bring out, like, I got pearl barley, or what else? You know, beans, of course, peas, oats, rice, vegetable, you know, dehydrated vegetables. Got canned seafood, you know, dried fruit. But yeah, I'd be curious to know what y'all do, if you got, you know, what's your special outdoor camping ingredients. There you go, that's ready for the fire. Give it about an hour or 2. Be chowing down. So here's the stew. Doesn't that look yummy? Actually it does. Smells pretty good. Nice and thick with some flour, thickened it. This is a reaction video, first bite of the stew. It's dripping. It's a 4K drip. It's not bad. Pretty delicious. What can you say? I mean, it's really good. I don't know why though. I don't know what it tastes like, but it's good. That flour, that thickening of the flour, it's the ticket. It makes it sort of creamy. We say you're not supposed to look at the screen when you're filming. You're supposed to look at the camera or something else, but you're not supposed to look at the screen because it looks weird. So, but I don't know what this looks like because I'm not looking at the screen. So I try to see. Anyways, pretty cool. I'm looking at a circle, some circles. Little purple dot there in the middle. That's weird. All right. Probably put a pinch of salt on top. Give it that pop, that little salty pop. Because when you cook with salt, the food will actually absorb the salt. So you want to do it like both ways. You want to add some salt when you're cooking early on, so the food absorbs it, but then you want to add a little bit too at the end, because it gives that little pop, that little salty pop. So it's good. The beans are cooked through, they're soft. It's actually delicious. Well, don't know that I got much more to say than that.